Most people buying a Ninja CREAMi right now are picking the wrong model. And by wrong, I mean they are spending anywhere from $170 to $350 on a machine that simply does not match how they are going to use it. The Ninja CREAMi first went viral in 2021, sold out nationwide within days of launch, and turned homemade ice cream into a genuine cultural moment. But here is what most buyers do not realize in 2026. Ninja now has 6 completely different versions of this machine. And the differences go way beyond just price. We are talking different programs, different capacity, different noise levels, soft serve capability on some and not others, and completely different tub systems that are not interchangeable between models. Pick the right one and you are making custom protein ice cream, restaurant-quality gelato, and soft serve at home every single night. Pick the wrong one and it sits on your counter collecting dust after the second use. We are counting down from number 6 to number 1. Every machine on this list is a current 2026 model. Nothing discontinued, nothing outdated, nothing phased out. Product links for all 6 are in the description below. Let's count it down. At number 6, the Ninja CREAMi NC300, the 5-in-1 and the most accessible starting point in the entire lineup. Available almost exclusively at Walmart, priced around $169 to $179. 5 programs sounds limited, but let's be accurate about what those 5 actually cover. Ice cream, light ice cream, sorbet, milkshake, and mix-in. That set hits every core frozen treat experience that made this machine famous. And the technology is identical to every other model on this list. The same Creamify technology, the same creamerizer paddle, the same 24-hour freeze and process workflow. Fill your 16-ounce pint the night before, freeze it solid, load it in the next day, and in roughly 5 minutes the machine shaves that frozen block into a silky, smooth result. What the NC300 gives up: gelato mode and smoothie bowl mode. For a true first-timer, that is not always a deal-breaker. What keeps it at number 6? Walmart-only availability limits your flexibility significantly. Fewer price drops, no Amazon, no Best Buy. And the real-world price gap between this and the 7-in-1 models is small enough that most people get more long-term value by stepping up. For someone who wants to test the CREAMi experience at the absolute floor price, the NC300 handles the fundamentals. Most buyers will find a better fit higher on this list. Number 5. The Ninja CREAMi NC299AMZ, an Amazon exclusive and the most overlooked model in this entire lineup. On paper, this machine and the NC301 look nearly identical. 800-watt motor, 7 one-touch programs, 16-ounce pint system, full Creamify technology. Same complete program set: ice cream, sorbet, gelato, milkshake, smoothie bowl, light ice cream, and mix-in. The practical difference: the NC299AMZ runs noticeably quieter during operation. If you have ever heard a CREAMi machine processing a frozen pint, you know noise is not a minor footnote. These machines are physically shaving through a frozen solid block. There is no quiet way to do that. But among the 7-in-1 options, the NC299AMZ consistently comes up as the more manageable machine on noise. For apartment dwellers, thin-wall homes, or households with sleeping kids, that is a real quality-of-life difference. It also typically prices slightly below the NC301, which strengthens the value case further. So, why does it land at 5 instead of 4? Stock consistency. As an Amazon-only listing, it disappears without warning and does not always return quickly. When it is available at a good price, it is genuinely the stronger 7-in-1 purchase. But that reliability gap keeps the more accessible NC301 one step ahead. Number 4. The Ninja CREAMi NC301, the machine that started all of this. This is the model that triggered nationwide sellouts in 2021, racked up millions of TikTok views, and in 2026 remains the best-selling ice cream maker in its category. More real-world testing data exists on the NC301 than any other CREAMi machine. 7 programs: ice cream, sorbet, gelato, milkshake, smoothie bowl, light ice cream, and mix-in. Powered by an 800-watt motor. Freeze your base overnight in a 16-ounce pint, load it, press a button, and in about 5 minutes, you are pulling a smooth, creamy result that holds up against premium scoop shop ice cream. Taste of Home's kitchen team tested the NC301 extensively across dairy and dairy-free recipes with consistent results. The machine handles keto bases, high-protein frozen treats, and low-sugar sorbets without dropping texture quality. The mix-in function handles chunky additions with solid consistency, and respin gives you a second pass when you want a softer texture. Mine ships with two 16-ounce pints. All parts are top-rack dishwasher safe, and it is available at Amazon, Best Buy, Target, and major retailers nationwide. The noise complaint is real, but at $179 to $199, the NC301 is the go-to for singles and couples who want the complete Creami experience without stepping into the upper price tier. At number 3, the Ninja CREAMi NC301 4-pint Bundle. And yes, same motor, same 7 programs, same machine as number 4. I know exactly what you're thinking. Stay with me, because this distinction is more important than it looks. The standard NC301 ships with two 16-ounce pints. This bundle version ships with 4. Here is why that doubles the usefulness for a specific type of buyer. Serious Creami users quickly figure out the smartest way to run this machine. You prep multiple bases together in one session, freeze them all overnight, and keep a rotation of ready-to-process pints staged in your freezer throughout the week. That is how this machine becomes a daily habit rather than an occasional use appliance. With 2 pints, you are either washing and reusing constantly between sessions or capping yourself at 2 flavors at a time. With 4 pints, you can have 4 completely different frozen bases simultaneously available. Different flavors, different nutrition profiles, different preferences for different people in the same household. 1 pint of protein ice cream, 1 sorbet, 1 gelato, 1 milkshake base, all ready to go without standing at the sink between every use. The bundle typically runs about $20 to $40 above the standard NC301, depending on the retailer and timing. Buying 2 extra pints separately after the fact often costs the same or more. The verdict is simple. If you are still figuring out whether you will use this machine consistently, start with the standard NC301 at number 4. If you already know you are going to run this thing regularly, get the bundle. You will hit that ceiling on 2 pints faster than you expect. Number 2. The Ninja CREAMi Deluxe NC501. This is where the lineup makes a real jump in both versatility and capacity. 11 programs, XL 24-ounce tubs, and a machine built for households that take frozen desserts seriously. Beyond the core ice cream, sorbet, gelato, and milkshake functions, the NC501 adds frozen yogurt, Italian ice, creamicino, on frozen drink, slushy, and mix-in. The creamicino program specifically turns this machine into a frappuccino maker. Thick, frozen, coffee shop-style drinks from the same countertop appliance you use for scoopable ice cream. The capacity difference from the lower models is significant. At 24 ounces per tub, the NC501 holds 50% more than the standard 16-ounce pint system. For families consistently serving 3 or 4 people per batch, that extra volume eliminates the frustration of running out mid-serving. Taste of Home tested the NC501 across multiple program categories and found reliable results throughout, noting the creamicino function specifically for producing well-textured, thick frozen drink output. One thing to know before you buy, the NC501 uses an entirely different tub system from the NC300 and NC301 series. Those accessories are not cross-compatible. Plan around that if you're upgrading from a previous model. Priced between $199 and $249, the NC501 is the right call for families, frequent entertainers, and anyone who wants 50% more capacity and a deeper program library, without needing soft serve capability. For soft serve, there is only one answer, and that is number 1. And at number 1, the Ninja CREAMi Scoop and Swirl NC701. The newest model in the lineup, the most capable, and the only one that does something no other Creami machine can. Time magazine named it one of the best inventions of 2025. That recognition is earned. 13 total programs, 6 of them brand new and exclusive to this machine. Soft serve, fruit whip, frozen custard, Creami Fit, swirled frozen yogurt, and swirled light ice cream. None of those functions exist anywhere else in this lineup. The headline capability is the built-in soft serve dispenser, a 3-speed automatic handle that pushes your frozen base through nozzles on a specially designed 2-in-1 pint lid, producing that swirled soft serve shape at home. Food Network's kitchen team tested the NC701 and described the texture as rich and velvety. Their team found that processing the pint on the scooped ice cream setting first, then running it through the swirl press, produced the firmest and most shop-accurate soft serve output. The CreamiFit program is purpose-built for high-protein, lower-calorie frozen treats. Food Network's testers used a store-bought whey protein shake as a base on the CreamiFit setting and pulled smooth. It premium quality results, needing just one brief respin to reach complete consistency. Honest trade-offs. Food Network's soft serve machine roundup measured the NC701 at 89 decibels, making it the loudest machine in their test category. It takes up real counter space, and it is not a lightweight appliance. But at $289 to $350, the NC701 is the only machine on this list that gives you scoopable ice cream, genuine soft serve, frozen custard, protein-optimized desserts, and 13 programs in a single countertop unit. No other Creami comes close to that range of capability. Clear number 1. That is your full breakdown of the 6 best Ninja CREAMi machines for 2026. Quick version. The NC301 is the strongest pick for singles and couples watching the budget. The 4-pint bundle is the smart move if you plan to run it daily. At the NC501, Deluxe is built for families who need bigger batches and more programs. And the NC701 Scoop and Swirl is number 1 for one simple reason. Nothing else in this lineup touches what it does. Drop a comment below. Which one are you going with, or which one do you already own? If this saved you time and money, a like and subscribe goes a long way. More reviews are coming.